Hello and welcome back. This is Steve about Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a World Coin Hunt and I've designated this World Coin Hunt WCH 58. The first coin that we have is a bimetallic coin from India from 2012 and it's a 10 rupee coin. On this side we have the Ashoka lion pillars plus the year, and on the reverse we have the date with a Indian, I believe it's an Indian character for the value. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Whoops. Next coin we have is from the Philippines. There is the COA from the Philippines Bank, and you have the country name, and then on the reverse you have the value, the year and the country. This 2016 10th centimo has no mintage figures available. One foreign from Hungary is next. Here we go. Here's one foreign coin. There's a series of very small coins. On this one we have the value on this side, this 1995 coin, and then on the reverse we have the coat of arms and the Hungarian and the country name. The mintage for this 1995 coin is 50,335,000. This coin is from Iran. It is a 50 dinar, I think it is, from 1938. It has a lion holding a scimitar, and on the reverse we have the value, which is 50. The Islamic symbol for 50. The mintage of this coin is 17,314,000. Here we have another small coin. It is a Belgian coin. It's a £1 coin from 1991, and on this side it shows the King's portrait of Baudouin I. On the reverse we have the value of 1F or 1 franc. We have the country name and the crown plus the year. The mintage for this 1991 coin is 200,060,000. Here we have a coin from Belgium, from the Netherlands. It's a 1 cent coin from 1970. It shows Queen Juliana and it also has the country name of the Netherlands. Then on the reverse we have the number 1, which is the value plus the year. This 1 cent coin has a mintage of 100 million. We seem to have all the small coins one after the other. This is another small coin. It is a Swiss coin and it's a 5 rappen from 1995. The head is of Libertaris, which is the Roman goddess of liberty, and on the reverse we have the value within a floral vine, which I believe is a grapevine from what I read. The mintage for this small 5 rappen coin from 1995 is 20,018,000. Next we go to Italy, and we had the old size 100 lira coin from 1979. I'm not sure who the head is of. It's of one of the Roman goddess. I don't know if it's a god or a goddess, I'm not sure. On the reverse we have Minerva at the vine, at the olive or vine tree, and we have the year and the value. This 1979 coin has a mintage of 351,583,600. And the last of the coins on the first of the two columns of coins is a French 2 franc coin from 1979. On this side we have the sewer and the country name. On the reverse side we have the value. We have also the floral brocade around it, and we have the year. The mintage for this 1979 2 franc coin is 130,040,511. Next we go to Spain, and we have a picture of Juan Carlos I. The coin is dated on the front as 1975. On the reverse we have the Spanish crown above 25 pesetas. We also have a star which gives the year as 1979. And the mintage for this 1979 25 peseta coin is 172 million. Next we have an Indian coin with the Ashoka line pillars, and we also have the country name on this side. If you have a look at the in between there, we have, well, we don't on this one, but we do have some Indian writing, and then on the reverse we have the 5 rupee value, the country name, and also a flowering scroll. There are no mintage figures for this year 2000 coin. Here we have a French coin, a Belgian coin of 20 francs from 1980. It shows King Baudouin I on this side. On this side we have the value of 20 francs. And we have the flower sprig, the value and the year and the country name. This 1980 coin has a mintage of 60 million. Excuse me. This is a Swedish coin from 1979 of value of 1 krona. It shows a almost like a double portrait of King Carl Gustaf XVI. On the reverse we have the Swedish crown above the shielded 3 crowned coat of arms of Sweden. We also have the value in the country name. The mintage for this coin is 47,400,000. Next we have Magyar or Hungary. It's a 10 forint coin from the year 2012. On this side we have the coat of arms, the country name and the year. On the reverse we have the value of 10 forint. The mintage for this 2012 coin is 10,060,010. We go into Africa, and a country we don't often see coins from as a general rule, and this is Ghana, and it's a 50 pesewas, and that's P-E-S-E-W-A-S. On this side we have the coat of arms, we have the country name and the year, and on this side we have a cocoa pod and the cocoa beans in the background with the value. There is no mintage figures for this coin. This coin is a Belgian 5 franc coin from 1950. It's during the reign of Baudouin I. It is on the The head shows Ceres, which is Ceres, and on the right hand side of the head, as you're looking at the coin, at the back of the head there is a cornucopia. On the reverse side we have the value, and we have the crowned oak stem with the value either side of it. The mintage for this 1950 coin is 23,948,000. We have, what, 4 coins left? And the first one shows the Ashoka lion pillars of India. So you've got the name of the country India, and you have the Ashoka lions on this side pillar. And then on the reverse we have the value of 2 rupees, we have the year and a flower stem. There are no mintage figures for this coin. 3 coins left. Here we go. This is one of the ones that we get an awful lot of. This is French, it's 20 centimes from 1967. On this side we have Marianne and the country name. On the reverse of the coin we have the value, we have the year, we have the olive stem and wheat ear. The mintage for this French 20 centime coin is, the 20 centime coin from 1967 is 138,782,305. We have just 2 coins left, and the penultimate coin is another French coin. This time it's a 1 franc coin from 1960. It shows the sewer and the country name on this side. On the reverse side we have the value of 1 franc. We have the year and the olive stem surrounded by other flowering fauna. This 1960 coin has a mintage of 406,375,000. And finally, last but not least by any means, here's George Washington. Yes, it's a US quarter, or 25 cents. It has a Denver mint mark, and it's from 1986. So on this side we have the mint mark, the D mint mark for Denver, we have the president, which is Washington, and we also have the year. Then on the reverse side of this we have the American eagle, we have the country name, the value. I can't make out what I've written there. Come on, Steve. I can't make that out. The mintage for this coin is 504,298,660. And that ends this coin hunt. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you've enjoyed my videos and you're a returner but haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers by the end of December 2023. I'm currently standing at 196 and we're in the 12th of August today when I'm recording this. So if you believe I deserve it, please subscribe to the channel, and I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journeys with coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria that I tend to or have covered in the past on this channel. I do, as I say, up to 5 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something. I do a minimum 4, normally 5, shall we say, videos a week, and hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying to the end of the video. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.